Holly 10 on the run is Ollah 7 detained. Sanabna mashuko ashamisa vanhu akuti after an interview awo yakaitiwa papodcast ya DJ Ollah wationa Holly 10 achiexposa vamwe vachiti Holly 10 brain dzake achi right here chiri zvemadrugs here vanapa tinoti vakomana ava vakutsvakiwa. Holly 10 ari on the run and DJ Ollah is already detained. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina Zim News chiti hip-hop musician Holly 10 is reportedly on the run, with police searching for him in connection with a cyberbullying case involving popular Zimbabwean podcaster and former Star FM DJ Ollah 7. Ollah 7 has since been arrested after surrendering himself to the police on Saturday. Ollah 7, real name Owen Madongo, turned himself into the police law and order section on Saturday afternoon after being summoned for questioning over allegations of cyberbullying. Holly 10 has been named as the primary accused in the case in courts. Ollah has been wanted by the police to answer allegations regarding the improper use of social media, particularly his online exchanges with socialite and musician Mudiwa Hood. He has since handed himself over the authorities, accompanied by a human rights lawyer, a source at Harare Central Police Station confirmed. At the same time of publishing, Zim had yet to receive an official comment from the police regarding his detention. The Zimbabwe Union of Journalists (ZUJ) and the Media Institute of Southern Africa, Zimbabwe, has not yet confirmed the arrest of the prominent DJ and podcaster. Thomas Kwamda panapa aiwa ataka kubatira tiona kuti aiwa Holly 10 anozikanwa kuti aiwa is a popular musician, aiwa onekwa kunzi panguva ino ari kutsvakiwa pamwechete ari a ZANU-PF supporter, aiwa onekwa kunzi aiwa ava accused necyberbullying. Vanhu vakaona zvakawanda zvakafumira pamusoro pevanhu, aiwa achinyatsa kutaura achiratidza kunge ari kusvora vanhu, zvimwe zvatisingaiti kuti taure panapa, but panguva ino they are now being accused. Atona DJ Ollah azvisarenda kumapurisa. Tudze mafunguro enyu pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.